Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the October Wax Seal Club box, and it is so cute. I cannot wait to show it to you, so let's jump in. I'm so excited. We've got our gold foil boxes back again. Let me show you what's coming in this box. So the very first two things I'm going to set aside because they are bonus items. But every box for the Wax Seal Club comes with one stamp and 3 sealing wax sticks. So this is the stamp for October. I'm so excited about it. It's a cute little mushroom and fern stamp, and it has the cutest little frame around the edge. So let's open this up and I'll show you what it looks like. It's a rectangle stamp, and every stamp in this box for the Wax Seal Club is unique, and most often they are designed by me. So this is one that I designed, so it's exclusive to this box. You can't get it anywhere else. On your very first box, you'll get a handle just like this one that's a standard size. It fits almost all Wax Seal stamps, but all subsequent boxes, you don't get the handle. You just get what's called the stamp head, so this. But look how gorgeous. So many cute little details in the florals. So let me show you, I want to show you the colors too, and then I'll show you how the colors are pressed. So these are the 3 colors. We've got Terracotta, which is brand new. It's not even in the shop, but it will be. It's so gorgeous. We've got this Petal Pink that's a little bit lighter than the blush pink. It's so pretty. And then of course we have white. So these 3 colors, and I want to show you what they look like once they're pressed. So here's the Petal Pink. You can see there's all those gorgeous cute little details with the mushroom stamp. Here's how it is in white, and then of course in the terracotta. It's so gorgeous. I love it so much. This is such a cute little box. So those are the items that you get in the box every time. You always get 3 wax sticks. You always get a unique wax stamp, most often designed by me. I mean, the last over 2 years, all of them have been designed by me. And your first box, you get a handle. But I do have a little bonus for you. Every box, I include a few bonus items. So the way to get these is, 1, if you're an existing subscriber, you automatically get both of these items. Otherwise, if you order the box by Thursday, October 9th, you will get these in your box as well. So the first thing here is a super cute little maker's mat. It's this gorgeous blush pink. It totally goes with the vibe and the colors of the box. I love making seals on silicone. It's a great service to make seals on. So that's in here. And there's also this little fall set, which I am so excited about. And in total, there's 6 cards, and we're following the cute little mushroom theme. So it's fall and mushrooms and bows. So there's this that's a super light pink with the different designs that's blank on the inside. We've got this one that has more mushrooms, leaves, fall things that are so cute, little acorns. And then of course this cute little pumpkin. And if you'll notice, this cute little design here matches the seal. It's the exact same shape, and it's repeated in one more place on the envelope. So you can see we've got the same little edge here going that's also on your seals. I mean, how gorgeous is this? It's all coordinated. It's so cute. I actually forgot that I did the envelopes like this until I was checking them just barely, and I was like, oh, it's so cute. It matches everything so well. So that's a little bonus. If you order the box before October 9th, you'll get this set of mini cards, and you will also get this maker's mat. So please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much to my existing subscribers for continuing to get this box. I'm so excited to send this out to you with the cute envelopes and cards. And if you're new and you want to join and get this box, then just make sure to check the link in the description below, and that's where you can join. Thank you so much for watching. If you are one of my existing subscribers, I am so grateful for you, and thank you so much for continuing to get the Wax Seal Club box. If you're new and you want to join, make sure to click the link in the description below, and make sure to follow the channel for more wax seal and lettering tips every week. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time.